Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a SQL table in Databricks from a CSV file. So I have a CSV file, and the CSV file, the table name is customer, and this is the all details, and I'm going to import this file on Databricks and I'm going to create a SQL table. So first here let me use a workspace, and this workspace name should be like let me rename as SQL testing. Okay, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to show the database. So first show databases. You can see this command is already there. Let me run this one. You can see I think there will be only one databases, and that is the default database. Okay, so yeah, there's another database is there, mkd database. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another database, create database mkd mixture. Okay, so let me comment this one, and then I'm going to create this mkd mixture database. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this mkd mixture database. Let me use this one, use mkd mixture. Okay, and if I see table under mkd mixture, show tables, no tables is there, so I need to confirm this one. You can see no table is there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a table like this customer table. I'm going to import this file as a table in this database. So here I'll go to file, and this option is there, create table. Okay, so I'm going to use this drop a file. So let me use this this CSV file. So I'm going to use this first one. Okay, create table with web UI. So this is the cluster I have to use, and then pivot table, and here some option is there. Customer table is customer table name is already exists in the database. So I'm going to use the database. What is the database I'm going to use? I think database name need to be default database is there, so I'm going to use mkd mixture. So you can see in the mkd mixture database the table name is not there, and here you can see first row. Okay, so first row is a header. You can see there's a C0 C1, so I'm going to choose this one. You can see to remove, and this is the data type. So infer schema, I'm going to use infer schema and multi-line. Okay, so I think it's good, looking good. So I'm going to hit this as a create table. Okay, so let me refresh it. You can see the database is mkd mixture, and this is the tables, whatever the sample data, and this is the schema. Okay, so let me go to this workspace once again, and let me do sort tables. You can see cost.csv table is there. So let me do one thing. Let me select start from cost.csv. Okay, so let's get the output. So these are the output 90 one rows. Okay, so you can see all the data here. So this is how you can download some CSV file, and you can import this on Databricks, and you can use it as a table, and you can practice it. So this is the example. Okay, so if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.